Gradually and beat by beat, remove your rusty rod like a silversmith. Dhammapad 239. Wise person, moment after moment, little by little, remove the blemishes of their own selves, just like smiths removing blemishes of silver. Little by little, time after time, successively, then let the sex blow away all blemishes, just as a smith silver. Dhammapad 239. Anupubeno Medhabi Thokong Khone Khone Kammaro Ajartasya Sebo Nidhome Mangalotano. Dhammapad 239.